Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review of the new cloud-based app called PrimeTube Review. Now, this is a way for you to have your own fully automated Amazon Prime and Netflix style TV movie channel, live TV movie channel, loaded with 2 million plus movie shows in just 3 clicks. I'm gonna go through this here. And if you want more information, come click the link below and you can actually see a demo on the website. But first, let me talk about my bonuses. Now, if you decide to purchase this course through my link, you're going to get 36 mega bonuses. These are courses I've selected personally. If you bought them individually, they'll be over $16,000. You will instantly get access to a viral traffic blast video course, shows you how to go viral on social media marketing, lead generation systems, marketing automation, Pinterest, how to make more money on Pinterest, how to rank on the first pages of Google, SEO techniques, Facebook ads secrets, Google AdSense profit tips and tricks, TikTok marketing, Instagram, YouTube. So everything's here, folks, for you to help you make more money online. Free traffic exchange systems, Pinterest again, how to make $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook groups, crazy traffic explosion. These are all video courses. Launch jacking. These are popular courses, and these are good to have in your library. Just in case you need to increase your income. If you're not making income, this will help you make more income. Now let's get back to PrimeTube. Now, PrimeTube, this is a cloud-based system that there's no hosting fee whatsoever. You have your own fully automated Amazon type Prime and Netflix style live TV and movie channel, loaded with 2 million movies, shows in just 3 clicks. Now, as I said before, it'll be your own Amazon Prime type website. You get your own highly attractive attention grabbing live TV channels ready to go. You create your own channels with powerful content with 100+ niches starting today. Tap into millions of views every single day easily in just 3 clicks. And this will have you be able to embed your affiliate links instantly to get paid and boost profits. So each page will have your affiliate links embedded in the system. And this is basically 3 clicks and you're set up. And this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It starts at $17, so it's very inexpensive. So if you want to see a demo of this, come to the page, click the link below, and you'll be able to see a full demo of how this works. But you'll have your own site that you'll be able to tap into the $358 billion TV industry and make money, because your link will be embedded throughout the site. You can also charge viewers by locking your channel's content. So you're able to make money, start making money instantly. And as I said before, this is a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is cloud-based, so there's no hosting on your part whatsoever. You don't need to be a techie. You need to know information about it, internet or coding or anything like. No programming whatsoever. Just 3 clicks and you're set up to start making money. Just click the link below. Check this out, because this will help you make money. Because we're talking about over 2 million movie shows in just 3 clicks. This is Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank you for reviewing my video, and make sure you click the link below to get more information and to see a full demo. And remember, you will get 36 bonus courses. These are all video courses that will be available instantly once you purchase the course. Okay, I'll see everyone in the next video, and make sure you take the time to check this out, because this is a new way to make money, simple, and you don't need any hosting, no one fee, and you're ready to go. Okay, see you in the next video.